So over here, you can see that I have a blank presentation opened up. And to quickly tour around the interface, on the right hand side, you can see the themes that you can apply after you added in some details, or you can add it in right away. Over here, this is the main area where you'll be working with the content of the slides. And on the left side, you'll see the list of slides that are available for that particular presentation. You can also turn the grid view on so you can see all of the thumbnails of the slides. Then over here, you can see that there's a strip of icons right here where you can access the select option, the text option, image, shapes, and line option, as you can see. And you can use this strip to control the background, layout, and everything else, which you're going to see in further lessons of the course. On the top hand side, you can see the menu bar where you can access the file menu to save and then copy and then share the file. You have the edit option right here, view, insert to insert different elements, format to format the contents in different ways, slides to duplicate, delete, and skip slides, arrange out this slide content in different order, tools to explore, and then do voice typing and things like that, and add an option to add in more functionality onto Google Slides. You also have help option right here and accessibility that you can access on the top. And then this has been the interface, and in further lessons we're going to see on how we can work with the elements of each and every tool right here on Google Slides to make the presentation in the way you want. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.